With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The resistivity of a wire at 20 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius is 3 ohm meter and 4 ohm meter respectively. The resistivity of the wire at 0 degrees Celsius is, according to question, the resistivity of the wire rho at 20 degrees Celsius, taking rho 1, is 3 ohm meter at 20 degrees Celsius, and the resistivity of the wire at, taking rho 2, 100 degrees Celsius is 4 ohm meter. Delta T1, delta T2 is equal to 100 degrees Celsius, and in the question we have to find the resistivity at the wire at 0 degrees Celsius, rho 0, and this rho 0 is the initial value. We know that when resistance varies with temperature, R is equal to R naught into 1 plus alpha into delta T, where delta T is the temperature, alpha is the thermal coefficient of resistance, and R naught is the initial resistance of resistor. And we know that resistance rho into L divided by A, where L is the length, A is the cross section of area, and rho is resistivity of material, and R is the resistance. L and A is same, so rho equal to rho naught into 1 plus alpha into delta T, and we have to find this rho naught at 0 degrees Celsius initial value. For 20 degrees Celsius, resistivity at 20 degrees Celsius is 3 ohm meter, equal to rho naught into 1 plus 20 into alpha, delta T is 20. Taking this equation as first equation, and for 100 degrees Celsius, resistivity at 100 degrees Celsius is 4 ohm meter, equal to rho naught into 1 plus 100 into alpha. Taking this equation as second equation, dividing equation first by second, (3 divided by 4) equal to rho naught divided by rho naught into 1 plus 20 into alpha divide 1 plus 100 into alpha. Rho naught got cancelled out, so 3 plus 300 alpha equal to 4 plus 80 alpha. After solving this, we will get alpha value, which is 1 divided by 220. Now putting this alpha value in equation first, 3 equal to rho naught into 1 plus alpha is 1 divided by 220 into 20 degrees Celsius. After solving this, we will get rho naught, which is equal to 11 by 4 ohm meter. This is the answer. Now let's see which option is matching our answer. Option A is the correct option.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.